Well, hey, y'all. I'm working with ice cream. I'm sharing with y'all today frozen banana split dessert. And it's just a great summer dessert to have in the freezer. You know, if your grandchildren or your children come home. And I have lined a 13 by 9 sheet pan with tinfoil. And I've got my ice cream sandwiches. And I've got, gosh, probably around 6 bananas. And so if you need to cut your ice cream sandwiches to fit your pan, you can do so. So I put half of our sandwiches out. And now I'm going to cover the layer of sandwiches with the bananas. Who doesn't love a banana split? I love a banana split. I don't ever get them though because I feel like it's so fattening. So I'll just hold mine to a cup of plain old ice cream. But this is going to be delicious. Delicious. You know what? It's called for a sheet pan. I can't remember. I've made this before in the past, but Lord have mercy, I can't remember how long it's been. But, all right, now we're going to put the cherries. Whoa, I'm sorry, y'all. Did I just bust y'all's eardrums? My hands are slick from the bananas. Okay.
Is that going to do well in that thing?
I don't know, honey. We're going to see. Okay. I don't think it is.
It's supposed to go in a 13 by 9.
Sheet pan. This is a 13 by 9 sheet pan. I don't either. You know what I think I'm going to do? I think I'm going to lift it up and just put it right over here in the casserole 13 by 9.
I just assumed the 13 by 9.
No, it said sheet pan, so that's what I was doing. Because like I said, it's been a long time. I can't remember. Okay. Yeah, this should hold it in now. Okay. So now I'm going to take a hot... No. I'm going to take the ice cream sandwiches. I think, like I said, it's been a long time since I've made this. Uh-oh. I forgot the toffee bits. And you have to work so quick because those sandwiches are going to melt. I love me a toffee bit. I'm going to pour it on top of the colder. Let me see if I can spread it. Oh, Lulu. Huh? What?
I said her life is so hard.
I know, it's pitiful. It's pitiful. Okay. That got it, Teresa. But you will have to be careful that you don't get it so hot that it melts the ice cream. Okay. All right, now we're going to take... Ooh. They're thawing out quickly. We're going to put the other half of the ice cream sandwiches on top. Uh-oh. They're coming apart on me. Uh-oh, there might be an ice cream sandwich left. Might be 2 left. All right. So the next layer is the caramel. And then we're going to put this in the freezer. Look at this.
I got some whipped cream for you too.
Oh, good. Look at that. I just love caramel. Do y'all like the caramel? Anybody?
Butterscotch.
Well, butterscotch, caramel, it's all the same thing to me. Look at that. All right, now we're gonna put the, we don't put the whipped cream on top of this, do we?
I think you do.
Let's see.
You freeze it all together.
Let's see. Yeah, it calls for a frozen non-dairy, but we always use fresh whipped cream, y'all. This may be one of those things
You should do with.
that you probably should do the frozen, because we know it freezes good. All right. The rest of the toffee. And now we got to get this in the freezer quick, quick, quick. I made this wonderful banana split dessert for y'all yesterday. And it really needs to go in the freezer overnight, y'all, to get really hard. Because last night after supper, Michael was looking for something sweet. And he found this. So last night, and this was like 10 o'clock last night, it had been in the freezer that long and it still was not like really hard. So that was Michael's piece that he got into. And I asked him how he liked it. Well, he was licking his bowl. He said, I think that's really, really good. Because he's like me, he loves his ice cream. But this is a wonderful dessert to make, especially if you're having company, you know, for the weekend, and you're going to have kids around. Because they can just go to the freezer, and this will last a good while. This is good and frozen now, y'all. This is the kind of desserts I like to have when company's here. Because it'll last and last and last. It makes a lot. It's so delicious, y'all. Remember, I used the almond. What is this? Yeah, the toffee topping. And you can get the toffee in milk chocolate, or you can get it plain. And I've used the plain on this one, and it's so good. It gives that bite of ice cream a crunch, you know, because they'll put nuts on top of a banana split. And it's got your cherries. It's got everything you could dream of. And it's messy. It's a finger-licking dessert. I just bit into a frozen banana. So good. So y'all put this one in your file. And you know, you can, this is one of those you can switch about to. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I thought I turned that down. We good, we good, we good, we good. You could actually use, instead of ice cream sandwiches, you could use those square things that Michael loves so much. What are those?
Klondikes.
Yeah, like a Klondike. So it's one of those that you can just play with and get just the flavors you want. But this is going back in the freezer. because I do have some company coming next week. So that's their dessert, y'all. That's my story, and I'm sticking to it. Love and best dishes. You're going to love it. You're going to love it, love it, love it. Hey, y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.